Every body type offers its own set of advantages and challenges in combat. Let's go through each one to understand it better. Adjust your combat strategy based on for your specific body type, and discover how you can suit any body type by capitalizing on their weaknesses. First, strong and muscular. Strong combatants typically possess greater influence in both grappling and striking. However, their primary weakness can often be a form of endurance, leading to greater strength. This indicates a greater need for oxygen. That can cause quicker fatigue. Certainly, if you are muscle-bound, aim to conclude the battle as soon as possible. The longer the battle, increases the likelihood of experiencing gas. Or, here's a rewritten version of outside. That doesn't imply squandering energy. With erratic motions. Focus on avoid unnecessary movements by being selective with your actions. Focus on completing tasks. If your opponent is muscular, avoid charge him quickly because he's most dangerous at the beginning of the conflict. Instead, attempt to prolong the struggle. Excelling in defensive skills provides a significant advantage over this body type. You can make him work and exhaust himself. His enthusiasm. When he becomes tired, he'll be safer and significantly simpler to overcome. Next, skinny. Lean fighters typically possess greater endurance and are capable of movement, faster but with less power with reduced body protection. In case you are slender one, your advantage lies in time. There is no rush to complete it quickly. Allow yourself to feel tired and take breaks as needed. Overwhelm your opponent. However, if your opponent has a slender build, be mindful that he likely has superior cardiovascular fitness compared to you. Ensure the dispute doesn't prolong. Proactive and aim to conclude it as soon as possible. Another point to remember is that shots targeting the body are incredibly effective for this body type. The liver, in particular, is widely recognized objective in combat sports, and is the most unprotected from these two locations. Next, fat. Heavier fighters often have a greater capacity to withstand impact, injury, particularly to the body. They also gain advantages from having more body mass, which can enhance the impact of their strikes. However, people with this body type often find it challenging to engage in cardio and movement. If you are this body type, minimize excessive movement and focus on executing precise shots. Your objective is to prevent energy wastage and complete the battle with precision and strength. Work stoppages. If your opponent owns this now, regarding body type, your primary advantage is time, motion and range. Have him transport. He put in more effort. Once he becomes exhausted, that's when you can complete the task. Number 4, balanced. Referring to a post we shared in the channel, many people consider this to be the best physique suitable for combat. Balanced fighters do not possess significant advantages or significant disadvantages. They excel in power, cardio, movement, essentially everything. Their true strengths lie in their lack of major weaknesses and high adaptability. A strategy you can choose based on your preferences. You can adjust to any strategy based on what your opponent provides. If your opponent maintains balance, once more, there's no strategy you can depend on. Based solely on his body type. For this body type, you should select your strategy inspired by alternative physical approaches, such as his reach and additionally his combat technique, particularly if you have watched his fights before. However, that's not quite. Here's what this video covers: ideas for additional videos.